My last try of this automatic sprayer project was a disaster and it didn't work at all, so I added a second servo to pull even harder on the trigger. That way it won't be binding up like it was last time because it was only pulling to one side. This time there will be two, and that way it will actually be pulling evenly on both sides of the trigger. I started out with a code where it was pulling pretty slowly so I could test it out, and it was working pretty well with the wires there wrapped around the trigger of the spray bottle. And I just used tape and a rubber band and a zip tie to hold the servos onto the spray bottle. The only downside to this is I did have to tape a little bit onto the bottle down lower so that it would be a little bit difficult to add water to this spray bottle, so that might be kind of a problem. But anyway, I tried it out going slow for a while, making sure that it was working right and everything, but it was only just a stream of water since it wasn't fast enough to turn into mist. So now I cranked up the speed to the maximum, and you can see it was doing it enough to mist the way I wanted it to, and so it was really like raining on the plant there. And I was surprised that those wires didn't break. I cranked this up really fast and those servos were just going to work, but they were powerful enough and I was impressed. But then the wire did break after a little bit, so I'd have to put a stronger wire on it, but the concept worked, so at least I improved on it from last time. And it broke. I think my plant's watered enough now anyway. Yeah, I think it's watered enough for now. It is a drier plant after all.